So let us see today chapter number 4 and title is Janardanasya Paschimah Sandesah. It means Janardan means another name of Lord Krishna. So Lord Krishna's final message of Lord Krishna. So now let us see introduction. In Sanskrit literary field, great poet Bhasa is well reputed for writing plays. He has written 13 plays which are known as Bhas Natak Chakram. The excerpt presented here is taken from his one-act play Dut Ghatotkacha, which is one of these 13 plays. Now let us see second paragraph introduction. The theme of the excerpt is based on the Mahabharata. Battle of Mahabharata is going on in Kurukshetra, and today Abhimanyu is unjustly killed in it. Hence, Arjuna is very sad and has announced to kill them who had killed Abhimanyu. In this tragic situation, Sri Krishna, Lord Krishna, thinks to try once again to prevent this war anyway by putting forward the tragic incident of Abhimanyu's killing and the sorrowful situation of Pandavas in front of Dhritarashtra and Duryodhana. Sri Krishna plans to convince Dhritarashtra. He selects Ghatotkacha as his envoy and sends through him a message of treaty. But engrossed in the madness of war, Duryodhana, his companions Sakuni and others are not ready to listen to the message of treaty. At last, Ghatotkacha makes them listen to the final message of Lord Krishna. Now let us see introduction. Third paragraph. The interesting dialogues of Ghatotkacha and envoying with Duryodhana and Sakuni produces dramatic pleasure. Selecting Ghatotkacha, a son of Demones, as a character, Bhasa has successfully tried to create an impression of demonic tendency of Duryodhana on mind of audience. On one hand, Ghatotkacha, son of Demones, behaves like a man, and on other hand, Duryodhana, son of a human, behaves like a demon. Bhasa, with his skillful dramatic art, has created beautiful contradiction here. At the end, the misbehavior of Duryodhana becomes the cause of destruction of Kuru race, the whole of his race. The fact one who does not accept the proposal of compromise ruins himself and his family is shown through this play. Now, let us see The chapter, first dialogue, Ghatotkacha. So Ghatotkacha said in the bracket pravishya relative past participle संबंधक भूतकृतन pravishya संबंधक भूतकृतन, it means relative past participle Ghatotkacha. So Ghatotkacha pravishya in the bracket having entered. I means Om. Ayam atra bhavan dhritarashtraham. So Om, you are Dhritarashtra. Anarya satasya utpadaitam, father of 100 ignoble sons. And Anarya Naya Tatpurush compound. In the bracket Upas Shrutya relative past participle Sambandhak Bhutkrutan Upas Shrutya, it means going near. Pitamaham means O grandfather. Abhivadaye Ghatotkacha. So Abhivadaye Ghatotkacha, I greet you. I am Ghatotkacha. In the bracket Ityardokte is equal to iti plus ardha plus ukte. Iti plus ardha plus ukte. Iti ardokte. So stopping after this incomplete sentence, Nana ayam akramaham. Nana ayam akramaham. This is not the proper way. This is not the proper way. This is not the proper way. Yudhishthir adayascha, Yudhishthir visarga plus, Yudhishthir plus adayaha visarga plus only cham. Right, Sandhi is there. Yudhishthir plus adaya visarga plus only cham. Yudhishthir adayaha cha mein guravam. So Yudhishthir etc. are my Guru. Bhavantam Maha plus Abhivadayanti. So Yudhishthir etc. are my Gurus. Greet you. Paschat Ghatotkacha aham is equal to Ghatotkacha visarga plus aham Maha. Paschat Ghatotkacha aham abhivadayan. Then I Ghatotkacha also greet you. Dhritarashtraha ehi putra. Dhritarashtra said, come, O son. Ghatotkacha aho kalyanaha khalu atra bhavan. Ghatotkacha said, oh, your majesty is really noble. Kalyananam prasutim pitamaham maha plus aha. Sandhi is there. Pitamaham maha plus aha. Bhagwan Chakrayudaha and Chakrayudaha Bahuvrihi compound. Chakrayudaha Bahuvrihi compound. Bahuvrihi samas. Chakra plus Ayudaha visarg. Sandhi is there. Means Lord Krishna. So Lord Krishna has sent this message to you for noble purpose. Dhritarashtraha asanat utthai. In the bracket asanat utthai, and utthai only relative past participle, it means sambandak bhutkrudan. So asanat utthai means standing up from the seat. Kim maha plus agyapayati, kim maha plus agyapayati bhagwan chakrayudah. So what is the message of Lord Krishna? Ghatotkacha. No. Ghatotkacha said, no. Asanasthen ev bhavata srotavyo janardanasya sandesaham. Srotavyo, according to Visarg Sandhi, srotavyah Visarg ho jayega. And srotavyah, potential participle, it means vidyartha krudan. Srotavyah, potential participle. Asanasthen ev bhavata srotavyo janardanasya sandesaham. So asanasthe ev bhavata srotavyo, please don't stand up, means seated on your throne. And Srotavyo Janardanasya Sandesah, and please listen to the message of Lord Krishna. Dhritarashtrah Yadagyapayati Bhagwan Chakrayudah. So Yadaha plus Agyapayati, Yadaha plus Agnyapayati. So Dhritarashtra saying Yad Agyapayati Bhagwan Chakrayudah, as Lord Krishna's wish. It means according to the wish of Lord Krishna. Upavisati, in the bracket, Upavisati means sitting near him. Ghatotkacha, Pitamaham, Ghatotkacha said, O Pitamah, O grandfather, Shruyadam means listen. Havats Abhimanyu, Havats, O son Abhimanyu, O son Kurukul Pradeep, Havats. So you are the light of Kuru rays. Havats, O son Yadukul Pravalaha, and Yadukul Pravalaha, and you are scion of Yadu race. Tava Janani Matula Mamapi is equal to Mamaha plus Api. Parityajya, relative past participle, Parityajya, it means Sambandak Bhutkrudan. Pitamaham, Drashtum Asaya is equal to Drashtum Maha plus Asaya, Sandhi is there. Next word also Sandhi is there. Swargam Maha plus Abhigatah Visarga plus Asi. So Tava Janani Matulam, Matulam means maternal uncle. Tava Janani Matulam Mamapi Parityajya Pitamaham Drashtum Asayam Swargam Abhigatah Asi. So leaving your mother, maternal uncle and me, you are in heaven to see our forefathers. Pitamaha means O grandfather, O Pitama. Ek putra vinasad Arjunasya tavad idrusi khalu avastha. Ka punaha visarga plus bhavatah visarg, Sandhi is there. Ka punaha bhavatah bhavishyati. So, O Pitama, O grandfather, Arjun is in such a condition due to the death of only son, then what would happen in future? ततः क्षिप्रम् इदानीम् आत्मबलादानं कुरुष्व। ततः क्षिप्रम् इदानीम् आत्मबलादानं कुरुष्व। Now have courage. यथा ते पुत्र शोक सम मह प्लस उत्थितः विसर्ग प्लस अग्नि विसर्ग plus only न. Once again I repeat this sandhi. पुत्र शोक सम मह plus उत्थित विसर्ग plus अग्नि विसर्ग plus only न. Next word also sandhi is there. दहेत तह plus प्राणमयम मह. दहेतः plus pranmayam mahap. And last word of this dialogue also sandhi is there. Havi visarg, haviriti is equal to havi visarg plus iti. Havi visarg plus iti. Havi visarg plus short e iti. So ततः यथा ते पुत्र शोक सम उत्थितः अग्निः न दहेत प्राणमयम हवि इति. So come out of the grief due to the son's death. Now let us see the next dialogue of Sakuni. Sakuni maternal uncle of Duryodhana. So Sakuni यदि स्याद् वाक्य मात्रेण निर्जितेयं वसुंधरा. वाक्ये वाक्ये यदि भवेत् सर्वक्षत्र वधः कृतः. So Sakuni said, यदि स्यात् वाक्य मात्रेण निर्जितेयं वसुंधरा. So by mere words victory is not possible on the world. वाक्ये वाक्ये यदि भवेत् सर्वक्षत्र वधः कृतः. By mere words killing, or we can say slaughter of all kshatriyas is not done. Ghatotkacha. Next dialogue of Ghatotkacha. Sakuni visarga plus esa visarg. Sakuni hi esah vyaharati. So Ghatotkacha said, Sakuni said thus, Bo Sakune means O Sakuni, Aksan vimuchya relative past participle. It means Sambandhak bhutkrudan vimuchya. Bhava ban yogyah. And ban yogyah fourth case tatpurush compound like vivah yogyah. So ban yogyah fourth case tatpurush compound. Aksan vimuchya bhava ban yogyah. So O Sakuni, leave the chariot and have the weapon. Duryodhana, Sakuni, Bo Sakune, Aksan vimuchya bhava ban yogyah. So O Sakuni, living die and be prepared for fighting with the arrow. Duryodhana, Bo boho prakrutin gatah Duryodhana said, "Oh, you have displayed your original nature. Vayam maha plus api, sandhi is there. Vayam api is equal to Vayam maha plus api. Vayam api khalu raudraha. Rakshas plus ugra swabhava visarg. Rakshas plus ugra swabhava visarg." So we possess the fire's nature like demons. Understood now? Now let us see the next page, that is page number 15, and next dialogue. Ghatotkacha said, "Santam papam, santam papam." So Ghatotkacha said, "Oh, don't say so, don't say so. Rakshasebhya visarga plus api." Sandhi is there. Rakshasebhya api is equal to Rakshasebhya visarga plus api. Rakshasebhyah api bhavanta eva krurtarang. So only demons show such type of cruelty. Only demons show such cruelty. Kutaha means where. Now let us see the verse. "Na tu jatu gruhe suptan bhratrun dahanti nisacharaham." So the brothers sleeping in Laksagru, and Laksagru means house made of ceiling work, are not burnt by the demons. The brothers sleeping in house made of ceiling works are not burnt by the demons. Second line, "Sirse na tatha bhratruhu patnim sprusanti nisacharaham." So they even do not touch the hair of the wife of their brothers. Next dialogue, let us see. Duryodhana means Duryodhana said, "Dutaha khalu bhavan prapto na tvam yuddhartham maha plus agataha visarg." Sandhi is there, right? Yuddhartham maha plus agata visarg agataham. So Duryodhana said, "You haven't come for the battle. Gruhitva gachin. Dutaha khalu bhavan prapto na tvam yuddhartham agataham." So Duryodhana said, "You haven't come for the battle, you are the messenger in fact. Gruhitva gachin." So go home. Gruhitva, relative past participle, it means sambandhak bhutkrutan. Gruhitva gachin means go home. Sandesam na vayam dudghatakaham. We do not kill messengers. We do not kill messengers. Ghatotkacha, in the bracket sarosam. Sarosam adverbial compound. Sarosam abhyayi bhav samas. Sarosam. So Ghatotkacha said in the bracket sarosam, it means with anger. Kim duta iti mam pragarsayasi. So you call me messenger. Ma tavat voho na dutoham Dutah Visarga plus Aham Mahav. So you really Mam Pragarsayati means you really insult me. Ma Tavadbo, don't do so. Na Dutoham. So I am not a messenger. Praharadvam Samahataham. Praharadvam Samahata. Sammaha plus Ahata Visarg. Praharadvam Samahataham. So attack me all together. Sarve in the bracket, Sarve Uttishtanti. So in the bracket, all stand up. Sarve Uttishtanti, it means all standing up. Dhritarashtraha Pautra. So Dhritarashtra said, "Oh grandson, Ghatotkachaha, oh grandson Ghatotkacha, Marsayatu Bhavan," means pardon me. Madvachan plus Avaganta Sandesdar. Madvachan plus Avaganta Bhavan. And understand me. Marsayatu Bhavan, Madvachan, Avaganta Bhavan. So pardon me and understand me. Ghatotkacha. Ghatotkacha said, okay, Bhavatu means all right, okay. Pitamahasya Vachanat Duto Aham Asmi. Dutaha Visarg plus Aham Maha plus Asmi. Dutaha Visarg plus Aham Maha plus Asmi. So I am only the messenger to Pitamaha means, it means Lord Krishna. Bobo Rajanaha. So Pitamahasya Vachanat Duto Aham Asmi. So I am only the messenger to Pitamaha. Bobo Rajanaham means, O king. Shruyadam means listen. Janardanasya Paschimaha Sandesaham. It means listen the final message of Lord Krishna. Now let us see the last verse of this chapter. Dharmam Samachara. So follow the religion. Kuru Swajan Vyapeksham, and care for the relatives. Yat Kanksitam Manasi. Sarvam Maha plus Iha plus Anutishtham. Sandhi is there. Sarvam Maha plus Ih plus Anutishtham. And do that what you want, because third last line. Jatyopdesa ev Pandav Rupdari. Suryansu bihi samam maha plus upaishyati vaha krutantaha. So krutantaha means Lord of Death, means Yamraj. So the Lord of Death means Yamraj, who is in the form of Pandavas, and like beneficial priest will come to you with the Suryanse bihi, with the rays of the sun god.